Economic globalization is an irreversible worldwide development process. The distance between countries is shrinking steadily, and progress in both transport and communications plays a huge role in this. The importance of European transport corridors can hardly be overstated. The need to improve transport links between Europe and Southeast Asia is an important one. The reasons for this are the overloaded seaports and the involvement of a large number of Asian countries in continental trade and economic relations. Kazakhstan is going to take a significant place in the transcontinental shipping market. Transit development, in turn, will boost both production and employment in the regions adjacent to these communications. The railway sector reform envisages state regulation enhancement, creating a background for individual initiative and the significant upgrade and modernization of fixed assets. The Kazakhstani company Prommashkpmplekt has been the largest official supplier of switches, rails, railway car wheels and spare parts in Kazakhstan and Central Asia since 2005. The company has committed itself to reducing the importation of track materials and established its own manufacturing process. At present, our company Prommashkomlpekt is implementing the unprecedented project of becoming Kazakhstan's first and only plant manufacturing switches and machining railway car wheels. The annual design capacity of the plant, based on a 2-shift, 5 days per week operation, is 1,000 switches, 3,000 repair kits, 1,000 crossings and 32,000 wheels. Having bought an abandoned building owned by the former Ekibastuz repair and mechanical plant and contracting European engineers with unique experience in switch production projects, Prommashkpmplekt experts launched the construction of a unique facility. The main building housing the switch and wheel shops covers more than 25,000 square meters and contains 6 aisles in total. 5 of these are the switches shop, and the 6th aisle produces the railway car wheels. Right behind me, you can see the finished product storage yard under construction. We have already installed 7 of the 14 columns required. Once finished, this will form the bridge for an 18-meter crane with a 32-ton capacity. The total tonnage of the crane will be 150 tons. The construction of the plant began in 2011 and has progressed rapidly. At present, 95% of the facilities have been commissioned, including an administrative building and the main building, where the switch shop, wheel shop and the utility room of the transportation department are located. Our company is unique in Kazakhstan, as there has not been a switch manufacturing or railway car wheels machining plant in the country before. The human factor has been minimized thanks to a flexible automated manufacturing process introduced by Prommashkomlpekt. Unique custom-made equipment from Ukrainian, Russian, Belarusian, Swiss and Italian manufacturers is installed in the switch shop. The equipment was designed for the machining of parts used in making switches for high-speed lines, in particular high-chromium steel parts. So initially, our task was to create the capabilities for manufacturing high-speed rail switch parts. The following switch manufacturing and machining lines are located in the company's switch shop: long parts cutting and drilling, switch blade drilling and machining, drilling and cutting check rails and rail parts, and rail points straightening and bending. The last line operates this way. It scans bends, i.e. max bend points, and then loads a rail in the press in a step-by-step manner for bending and straightening. The machining line installed in the wheel shop by companies from Czech Republic, Germany, Russia and Slovakia has been programmed to work automatically with a minimum of interference from the operators. A machined wheel undergoes short work hardening of the disc. Wheel shop equipment allows wheels of various diameters to be manufactured, thus meeting the numerous needs of international buyers. The idea of building a wheel shop was born in 2010. In 2013, we completed the construction, received certification and launched production. This year, we are going to produce 39,000 wheels, which will be supplied to our Kazakhstan-Timur-Zholi railway and to the Central Asian countries, India and China. Production is expected to make 39,000 wheels in 2013, and it is expected to reach 70,000 wheels annually from 2014. Presently, the fourth machining unit is being installed on the full-surface wheels machining line to increase the plant's output. The quality control of the wheel-making process is done by an automated, non-destructive test line, which is a single, unique set of standalone devices. Internal and external defects are detected using ultrasound and magnetic particle testing, wheel hardness and geometry measurements. As a result, the product is tested by both the Quality Control Department and Certification Control. The commissioning of a steel casting shop, a wheel set shop and a reinforced concrete ties plant will enable the company to take control of the entire production cycle over the long term. In our first 8 months of production, we have achieved the following levels of output. Switches production reached 75% of total plant capacity. Crossings production reached 104%. Repair kits production rate was 82% and wheels production rate hit 75%. This equates to 8.5 billion Kazakhstan tenge in finished products. The plant is still currently being developed, and the new technology of straightening switch points, check rails and crossings has been implemented during these 8 months of work. Kazakhstani Prime Minister Serik Akhmetov was impressed by the facility and praised the plant's uniqueness during his recent visit to Prommashkpmplekt. The government plans to build new railway lines, including high-speed and transcontinental ones, as well as repair 14,000 kilometers of existing lines. It is Prommashkpmplekt that will take the most active part in this operation.